Perspective Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit PerspectivePlans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello there, and welcome to Perspective Plans, where I help you plan for what's to come. In today's video, we're going to be planning in my budget planner for the month of May. Yeah, I believe it's May. Yeah, I want to say so. And if it's not, oh well. We're going to plan like it is. 2023. Not Maya. That is not what I wrote. Oh my goodness. May. Okay, and then we're going to add a line because we need a space. No, it's supposed to. Oh, and let's make it white. Just to match what we already have. The font I'm using is Boliho, as I always use. And yeah. And then 2/4. And resize that. Alright, so we have our days to remember. Nothing much in terms of budget. As far as credit scores, we're leaving that blank for when we get new refreshed ones for the month. And notes, honestly nothing. The summer's about to start, so yeah, I'm excited. Super excited for summer. Financial goals. Save for July sales. Yeah, pretty much. Which is something I like to do because I know Nordstrom is likely going to have a sale. Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, all of those, all of my favorites, honestly. All of my favorites are going to be having like their annual sales in July. We'll likely have an anniversary, not an anniversary, we just had our anniversary sale. So if you did support us during our anniversary sale back in April, I really do appreciate the support for you supporting a small business. And, you know, of course, if you wanted to check out the sale as well, you could use our forever code, which is PLAN20. And that code never expires. But yeah, thank you in advance for supporting a small business. And if you did purchase a product, leave a review. I'd love to know what you think about our products. Yeah. But as I was saying, we won't have an anniversary sale because we just had our anniversary sale. But we will be having some sort of, you know, semi-annual, middle of the year sale of some kind, just like all the major retailers do. But yeah, just be looking out for that. And I can't tell you what the discount will be. We have to look over some things first, but yeah, be on the lookout. You could try getting on our email list so that way you'll know when the sale happens. All right, so now let's do our page, our tab page right before the calendar. So we're gonna grab this lasso tool. Grab our lasso tool to make this bigger. And I absolutely adore the handwriting feature. It is great wealth to a soul to live frugally with a connected mind. Love it. And I love the quote. Perfect. All right, so, you know, we have to write May again because it's an undated planner. I did and I did not say hey 203. And apologies if you can hear the church while I am planning. We live next to a church. All right, so now that that is done, I did pre-date my planner because it's an undated planner. We will be coming out with dated planners very soon, so be sure to check out our email list so you can be notified when they are released. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. John C. Maxwell, love it. All right, so let's find a sidebar to go here. And if you're interested in our budget planner, I'll be sure to leave that down below. It includes 200 pages, and of course we have 2 different versions, with and without sidebars. And I'm gonna add some sidebars in just a second. But the planner comes with, I wanna say, yeah, 152 different sidebars, because there's so much you can do when it comes to your budget and your finances. So I'm thinking maybe red. Maybe red is the color savings challenge. Because I don't really have anything to pay off. I didn't go as crazy as I thought I was gonna go for my birthday because the sales just weren't where they needed to be. So I was hoping to have a baby shopping spree for if stuff was on sale, but nothing really was, which kind of hurt my feelings. But you know, I'll make up for it in July when we have the semi-annual sales. But yeah, all right, so now that that is done, what else? Oh, let's add another sidebar here. All right, and let's add a mini calendar. All right, so now that that is done, oh, and the planner also comes with like 1,500 digital stickers, of course, in 14 different colors. And yeah, what else? I'll be sure to leave the planner down below so you can check it out for yourself. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at ProspectivePlans.com, helping you plan for what's to come. All right, so now let's do some bill tracking really quick. And we can do it really quick because it's a digital planner. All right, so this is the 24th and the 25th. All right, and that is for Visible Mobile. All right, rent. And next month is my mother's rent. Oh wait, I'm about to put it on the wrong day. So on the 1st. Actually, was it red here? Yeah, so that way I don't have to redo it. All right, what else we need to grab? Credit cards and subscriptions. Oh wait, what day is this going in? The 12th. Paste. Copy, and then this is going on the 14th. Oh wait, what date does this go in? 19 and 20. I'm gonna make those purple because I'll be paying those this month. What else? What else? Oh, the credit card is for the 26th. And this is the 29th, which is the last day of the month. All right, 31st. Wait. So let's align this better. Is there anything else I need to fix? Yeah, it looks like this is doubled up. All right, so now let's get light bill in purple, because that's what I'll be paying, as well as Wi-Fi in purple. And the reason it's in purple is because purple is my favorite color and red is my mother's. So I just like to do it in our favorite color for the bills that we'll be paying and tackling that month. Because even though bills aren't our favorite, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Because they'll still come, which is so scary. All right, so we're going to size this down. Still not sure what day our Netflix is getting charged on, but hopefully by next month I'll know. I'll find out soon, because I do have a Netflix sticker to go with tracking my Netflix subscription. All right, so now that that is done, I think we're good. I think we're good. So we can jump into our budget breakdown page. All right, May 23. All right, and all supplies I'm using will likely be linked down below. And if you don't see it linked, just let me know down below in the comments, because sometimes you have to update the links when it comes to Amazon. Because every now and then they run out and they sell out of things. So yeah, copy. I'm just gonna change those out because last month I did the rent and then she did light as well as Wi-Fi. There we go. Oh, let me add the subscriptions. Copy. All right, there we go. Wants and needs. I don't really have any wants or needs. I think we're likely not even going to spend that much money this month because nothing's going on. Money amassed either serves us or rules us, Horace. Know what you own and know why you own it. Peter Lynch. Love it. So we have several expense pages, expense logs for every week throughout the month, and of course a notes page to end it on. Then it just cycles back to our monthly map out page. All right, so now that that's done, let's go ahead and decorate our calendar for the month of May. And of course we're gonna decorate with my Wrong stickers because I bought them on sale and I love a good stationery sale, and you can check out our stationery sale very, very soon. But of course, you can use that forever code PLAN20 for 20% off Prospective Plans. Let your dreams blossom. I really like this quote, but it may be too light. Yeah, it kind of is. Okay, that works. So you could see the actual quote. My goodness, it's just so light. What else can I add? I do like this girl in her dress. Very, very pretty. What else? I am enough, and I always have more than enough. Okay, I like that. What does this say? Tulip Market? Bloom a beautiful process of becoming. I love that. That seems like an Oprah quote, you know? It really does. I think I'm gonna swap this one out with this one because it's more orange. Bloom and grow. And this just says bloom and grow. Or maybe I could put it here. Today, anything is possible. Let's pop this here. All right, there we go. I'm not sure what else to add in these empty areas. No winter lasts forever, no spring skips its turn. I love that quote. She picks a really, really, really good quotes for all of her collections, and I just love it. Yeah, it's not gonna look good like all big, because it looks pixelated. Sometimes that happens with digital stickers, it just does. Yeah, even this blown up looks a mess. Oh, what a cute little coffee card. Okay. Be sweet, organic honey. Very cute. Spring Valley Farms. So it's a cute little farmer's market. You can't go wrong with a farmer's market. A nice little bicycle. Oh, adorable. Let me zoom in so I can see how exactly I want to throw it in with making sense. Okay, that works for me. It's a lot happening, but it works, it works, it works. But yeah, thank you so much for planning with me today, and I will see you in the very next one. And remember to keep planning for what's to come. Bye, y'all. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.